Hi, welcome back. Today, I have something for you as a content creator. If you travel a lot and you stream, this is for you. Let's get into it. I love opening boxes. Oh, it's actually heavier than I thought. This is a portable monitor. So when you go on trips and travel, you basically can have this so you can stream and have two monitors, your laptop monitor and this monitor. It comes with a lifetime support as well as a 30-day exchange guarantee, 12-month warranty service, and 24/7 online support. It's a 1080p monitor, so that should be perfect for gaming and streaming and things like that. So with that, I actually bought the bundle and I got the stand to go with it. If you're used to having your stuff on stands, it just makes things so much easier. So I bought this stand, show you what it looks like. It opens up and you can tilt it. You can tilt it any way you need, and that will hold the monitor. It's made to go together. The ARZOPA, I'm going to open it up for you right now. So it's like Christmas in my house. It has this beautiful box. I'm going to shake it to get it out. A little shaky, shake, shake. Easy does it. Ta-da! Lift it out. And look at this. Gamers, you're going to love this. It's called a pocket monitor. So it has this nice case-like feeling. And then you open it up, and there it is. Look at that. And then the connections, the ports are right here on the side. And basically, look how nice this little baby sits in here. I thought I'd show you how the built-in ARZOPA stand works. And basically, you take it and you open it up. You let the magnetic part stick. You see that? It kind of just sticks, makes a little click. And then you can put it in any way you like. You can adjust it, how tall you want it. Somewhat like an iPad. It's pretty cool. So if you don't want to get this stand, the unit comes with a stand that's perfectly fine. If you take off the cover, you can use the stand like that. So it's either or you could use both. And what's really cool is you could even put it this way, you know, however you like, you know. Do you need it this way or you know, it just has so many useful applications. It also comes with a user guide as well as the cords that you're going to need to connect it to your computer. So it comes with an HDMI to mini HDMI cable. The next cable it has is USB-C to USB-C, and then it's got USB, the old USB, to USB-C, and a power cable. How cool is that? Everything you need so that you can go traveling and continue gaming, streaming at night on your vacation or after work or whatever you're doing. I thought this was super cool and I can't wait to use it. Remember, if you like videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll get more. So I will leave the links to this product in the description for you below, along with a whole bunch of other links of things that I love. These are all affiliate links. Thank you for your support. Have a wonderful day. So I hope you get one and enjoy it.